Hello guys, I'm just gonna dive straight into this DIY mask video, and today I'll be using my leggings. Yes, you heard that right, my leggings. So I'm just straightening out the leg of the leggings, and I'm using an A4 paper to do my measurement because I need 10 inches to make my face mask. And why I actually use the A4 paper is because some of you might not have like a tape rule in the house, so that's just like the length of the A4 paper. So I'm cutting out my leggings now, where I actually made my measurement of 10 centimeters, and now I'm just gonna fold it in about 1 inch. Then I snipped it just a little bit just to make a tiny hole, and I made about 7 holes. So I'm going to go to the other side now and repeat the same thing. Just snip it, just about 1 inch, and just snip in another 7 places. So what I'm doing now is cutting the other leg of the leggings out so that I can get a thin long tie for the mask from it. So now I'm opening up the leg, and I'm just gonna go about 2 inches and cut it all the way up. And I need 2 pieces of fabric, so I'll just go over and cut the other one as well. So I'll just put in the fabric that I just cut, like the tie. I'm just putting it in and out of the hole that we've made on the material before now. As you can see, the way I'm doing it is quite easy, just like in out until you get up, and make sure you don't miss any of the holes. So I'll just go again to the other side and repeat the same process. So now I'm done putting the ties through the holes. Easy peasy, is quite easy, and that's it. We have our mask. What I'm doing right now is just tying it on the side, and I'm trying to feel the stretch of the fabric. This material is cotton. You can only use cotton for a face mask because you need to be able to breathe through it. So right now I'm just cutting the excess fabric from my side tie, and I'll do the same on the other side as well. And voila, my face mask is ready. Now let's try it on. So guys, we're going to try out this facial mask now. So let's see how it looks. Wow, it's absolutely brilliant. It's covering the heel of the nose and the chin and the face. This is a very, very, very perfect mask. Look at it from the side. What do you guys think? So there we have it. So we're just gonna move on to the other technique now, which is a t-shirt technique. This one I just wore, of course you've seen it, is from a leggings, from an old leggings that I had, and it's something I could just do without, so I used it. And again guys, if you have a long sleeve t-shirt, it's still gonna do perfectly, just like the same way I did this one. That's how you're gonna use the sleeve of a long sleeve t-shirt. I have my tank top here, and I'm placing A4 paper on it just to have a good measurement of what I want, because I'm not using a tape or anything. So I'm sure most of us will have like A4 papers at home, so it's better to use A4 paper to measure it. I used a chalk to outline where I want to cut out of this t-shirt. It doesn't have to be a tank top. You can use your normal t-shirt, probably t-shirt you are not using anymore, probably from a concert, from an event, and just t-shirts are just lying around the house. But guys, the t-shirt needs to be cotton. It can't be overemphasized. It needs to be a cotton t-shirt or cotton clothes or whatever. It just needs to be cotton. You can't use lycra material or silk, because any material you will use, it needs to be breathable, like something you can breathe through when you wear your face mask. It's very, very important. So just like the leggings technique that I showed you, I already snipped this t-shirt. I snipped it on the side. I just folded it 1 inch in, and I snipped the side, but I lost that part of the video. So the same way I did that one, just put the fabric in and out of the hole. I just cut a part the downside of the t-shirt. I used it for my tie. So now we are basically ready to try it out on the face. So this is actually a 2-in-1 style. It could actually be tied both ways, up or on the side. I will show you how that works when I try it on. I'm on a different style with this one. This one could actually go over the head. So I'm just going to adjust this one. I'm just going to adjust the tie. So this is the other mask. How about the top? So I actually like the design of this one. That's the design of the t-shirt, obviously, but at least it's not boring, and it's keeping my face safe. It's keeping my face very safe. It's actually covering my nose, my face, and my chin. So I think I'll give this a pass. So this can actually be done in 2 ways. You can tie it on the back of your head, or just tie it, or just do it and just like the other one I did before, to your hairs, just like cuff on your head. Let's try this out. So still perfect anyways. It's perfect both ways. It's just absolutely perfect both ways. You can just cut the excess one off if this is the style you want to stick to. So here we go. Have a mascara. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, because it's going to benefit a whole lot of people. Like, I've not seen anywhere they are selling masks, obviously, except probably you go to the hospital or something. But of course, if you don't have any business in the hospital, how are you going to get a mask? So just to protect ourselves. Anything we can use right now is fine. You can get whatever just to protect yourself for now, guys. Please protect yourself. Stay home. Stay home. Don't go out unnecessarily if you don't have to go out. Please let this thing just let this thing just be over with soon, and we can get back to our normal life. Like, please stay healthy, eat healthy, live healthy, stay clean. Don't forget to wash your hands. Don't forget to wash your hands. Use hand sanitizers when you're going out. Use wipes to wipe whatever you're gonna put your hand on when you go outside. Just keep all these things with you whenever you go out. So that's it, guys. Just stay safe, and I love you very much, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.